over. Turn. Turn. Yay!
Let me show you guys how I drive around this mountain that I'm showing you guys now. So follow me up as we drive around. And if today is your first time of seeing my channel, do well to subscribe. So guys, let's make a move. Peace out. So after a long ride, let's grab some food. Gonna die. What is this? Is that beef? Or fish? Beef?
Bangus.
Nah, this one better.
This one.
After a long ride, you eat before continue your journey. Abi? Abi, oh. This is how we eat Filipino food. There is no spicy. You have to make your own spicy by yourself. This one has stew. Hello. This ano? Yummy? Is it yummy? Ano? We can't get nana. This is by how
Baby, come.
when coming back now? That is dog.
18. Kanina.
Bilisan na.
Tatlo. Sandali, tayo mo ako, no?
Balik na lang dito sa tagal sa kasama.
So we are about to continue our
Ako dalawa.
ride. So let's try this beef chicken first.
Ayun. Ayun. Siya. Okay.
Baby! Wanna take a picture?
Where's Big Mama going?
Because the tourist guide will going to bring us to the mountain. This is a nice view over here, huh? Slowly. Wow.
Besides, she fast.
It's a nice bridge, na? Yeah. bridge, huh? You can swim?
So waiting.
Swim over there in the bridge na.
Voila. I can't believe I can fly. I believe I can fly.
I think this is the farm of goat. Yeah. Nice nature.
I see. Abbiamo
Fresh air.
yeah.
Let's go. Baby! Yeah! Yeah. Saan na tayo? Dito?
Ito na yun, viewpoint. Sindangan.
Like.
Tusok-tusok. Milky.
Wow, you guys can see this view.
Kasi ito viewpoint.
We have spent more than 2 hours. We have been riding more than 2 hours, right?
Yeah, because no. From here to there only 15 minutes.
No, since from home, from your place to here, almost 2 hours.
Okay, kung pa makita. Pero kung dadrive ko nila na to tape. Nigeria.
Iseweti,
This is a new viewpoint.
middle of nowhere. Is that smoke?
Nice view kasi.
Wow, amazing. Amazing. Please, if you see my video, follow my page. Support me, please. I really need your help. You guys help. Please, I'm pleading. Please. Subscribe on my YouTube, follow my Facebook page, follow my TikTok page. I need engagement, please. You guys should support, please. Support me. It's not easy. I was trying to go to this mountain, but they said it raining, so you can't go when it's raining. Only in summer, so maybe next time I can go there with tourist guide, so we can go and blog there. Philippines is so beautiful, so yummy, so beautiful. You guys can see this. Let's see now. Okay, did they keep this fish on here?
Natukantin mo tayo sili. Yun?
No.
She said you want to with the coconut with the more mini chili. It's good.
Coconut.
Come on. Come on.
Okay, they get the fish from the sea.
Yeah, it's fresh na. They catching over there and put over here.
Ah. So how are you going to cook it?
We put dry coconut and put a lot of chili. Cook like a...
Ano isda nga
So who will make it?
It's like a catfish.
You
Ito
make it?
sa karpa.
Okay na.
Yeah.
Ay, sayang man yung ano.
Let's buy fresh fish.
Sige po, ano yan? Ihawon. Oo. Ay, tuguti ay walang to. Anak, ano mo anak? Day! Balance man ang bida. Dayang, ay sali, na-out of balance ang bida. Na-out of balance. Come here.
Wow.
Yeah, look, so many people catching fishes. Can survive that.
People are catching fish. Let's go and catch fish now. We pat all the fish in the river. Abi? Abio. Abio.
Dalin, sumigaw ka na. Kanutang.
This is the sea of Kanjidan. Wow. Which one? That one? No fish. Fishing time. Ah.
Oh my gosh, very nice. You like? You wanna swim?
Yes, very cool.
Wow, my God, very. Huh?
No fish?
No fish kayo? Bakit? No fish. If it's the wave, it's too heavy,
Yeah.
so it's not easy to catch the fish.
So the fish are
May mahulog to na yan ah.
no fish na.
Yeah, they're trying to drain the something.
Ah. The fish patay. They are trying to catch fish, but there's no fish. Try your luck. This is try your luck. It's not guarantee. Wow. This is amazing. This is my first time of seeing people. This is my first time of seeing people fishing. So, if there is river here, why not? Why don't they have river in Angeles City?
They have river in Angeles City, baby. Let's see. Going to CDC. I going to the remember the internet you play with your champion?
Yeah.
There's a big river over there across. The problem is you use shortcut to the SM to the CDC, go to the high school. But if you're from in my place, the motorbike across to the big bridge. That big bridge is over here too. It's like connected over here.
I thought there is no river in
Angeles has a big, but it's not the same like this. Mom!
Ah.
Fish.
Is it alive?
It's alive. Yeah, you be careful. Maybe it's jumping na.
It did not jump.
See?
Ah.
Ang lalaki ko yan, no? Ayun yung matabang, di ba? Matabang yan.
This is determination. You have to have patience.
Bakit naman kuya umalis?
Siyempre, gumala ko.
Hilain mo kagad. Ano, meron na? He said if he will know if you're thinking na if we can catch the fish because the net is shit.
Ay. Uy. Kailangan kami tayo kay Sukuna yan, ha?